Time to dance.
Oh no! You gotta wake up, man. It's a big game.
How about a smile from Jason Kidd? To protect his cranium, he went in the Rangers locker room and grabbed the helmet.
Wuhan turns the corner and throws it away. Wow.
Oh, goodness. He's about to throw it away. I knew he was about to throw it away. he was on a roll.
Then Fisher knocks the ball away from Brandon Wright. Loose ball, he trips, he bobbles it, Knight has it. And then it's knocked away at center court. My goodness, a comedy of errors.
Oh, Odom lost the ball, went up for the dunk.
Probably so.
Hey, Mike, she can't talk right now. She's in a press conference.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Well, you say you were hungry? You know, Bob, I wasn't really thinking popcorn. I was thinking like pig ears, fish feet, chitlins, and things like that.
Look at Anthony Morrow. Watch his facial expression. Is that him? Is that who I think it is? It is! It's Batman!
Right?
How excited he got.
I mean, that's ugly right there.
Gives to Warren.
That double screen, and it's just a long pass.
Well, right at the steal, they lost the ball.
Look at the reaction. This is what I like.
Oh, yeah. Lands, second Indiana turnover, and Shannon Brown misses the dunk.
Pop, since Charles Barkley was so inappropriate to ask you 3 questions, I'm only going to ask you 1. Thanks for your time. You're a scholar. You're a scholar.
When we go to bed.